We previewed this beautiful, unique 3-story home located in Riverside, California. We don't see many of these come up on the market often, which is why I was curious and wanted to give you a 3-story home tour. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath house measures 1,815 square feet of living space and was built in 2006. It has an open floor plan and plenty of windows throughout. There's a beautiful fireplace in the spacious living room. And the second story featured the family room area, which was open to the kitchen and had lots of cabinet space and a breakfast bar. It also had a gas-powered stove, oven, microwave, and dishwasher. There was also a guest closet and a half-bath powder room. Let's see what the upstairs looks like. The large master bedroom had a private ensuite bathroom, complete with shower, tub, double sinks, and a large walk-in closet. The laundry room was conveniently centrally located between all 3 bedrooms. There was also another full bathroom upstairs with shower and bathtub. The second bedroom was bright and had mirrored closets. The third bedroom was also well lit and featured mirrored closets as well. This 3-story home has direct garage access and a pedestrian door to lead you to the side yard. Which is perfect for entertaining and enjoying our gorgeous Southern California weather. If you're interested in learning more information about this house or other homes for sale in California, please contact me and consider subscribing to my channel, Susie Valentine Realtor.